Hi dear friends, today in this video we are discussing about syllabus analysis and course design in ITI using NSQF. Myself Jairam Sasane. The Industrial Training Institute ITI courses structure as per the National Skills Qualification Framework to align skill development program with industry requirement. The syllabus and course design in ITI follow a competency based approach, ensuring the trainees acquire job ready skills. Syllabus analysis in ITI using NSQF. The ITI syllabus is designed based on NSQF levels to provide a structural learning path from basic technical skills level 3rd to advanced competency level 5. The syllabus is categorized into NSQF levels and ITI course equivalence. That should be NSQF level, ITI course equivalence, and the key learning outcomes. For example, the NSQF level 3rd, all the trades covered for in the first year of 1 year courses are level 3rd, having basic technical skills, safety training, simple machines operation, etc. In level 4, 2-year courses of ITI CTS, independent task execution, troubleshooting, trade specific expertise. In level 5, advanced ITI CITS supervisory skills, instructional training, industry based project. Key components of the ITI syllabus under NSQF. The ITI syllabus under NSQF consists of 3 major components: trade theory, knowledge based learning, covers fundamental principles, technical concepts, and trade specific knowledge, includes workshop calculations and science, engineering drawing, and trade safety measures, follow NCVT, National Council for Vocational Training guidelines. Second one is trade practical skill based training, hands on training in workshops, real life projects and lab sessions, use of modern tools, machinery and digital simulations, evaluations through competency based assessments. Third one is employability skills, which is covered soft skills and work readiness, communication skills, teamwork and problem solving, entrepreneurship skills, self employment and guidance, digital literacy, workplace ethics and career planning. Courses designed in ITI based on NSQF. Designing in a course in ITI under NSQF. ITI courses are designed with structured learning approach, ensuring the students and trainees. First one is develop core technical skills. Second is gain industry relevant hands-on experience. Third one are assessed based on competency levels. The course duration and structure depend on trade specialization, typically divided into 6 months, 1 year and 2 year programs based on trade complexity. Short-term skill development courses for quick employment opportunity also designed in ITI based on NSQF level. Course development process using NSQF step description. First one is industry analysis. Identify skills gaps and emerging trends in industries. Second, NSQF level mapping. Define the appropriate NSQF level for each ITI trade. Third one is curriculum framework. Structure course content into trade theory, trade practical and employability skills. Fourth one is practical and workshop setup. Ensure industry standard tools and machines for hands-on training. Assessment and certification. Competency based evaluation and NSQF aligned certification. For example, ITI electrician course design based on NSQF. Here in this slide we see the arrow, NSQF level, then course module and the learning outcome which is covered under that NSQF level. We are discussing here the ITI electrician course, how the course is designed based on NSQF. NSQF level thirds. The course module contain electrical basics, and that level third from the course module electrical basics, the trainees and students having acquired to the learning outcome of wiring, circuits and electrical safety. Then level 4, the course module contains installation and repair, and from that course module the trainees have acquired the learning outcome, transformer installation, fault diagnosis. In level 5, advanced system which is covered in CITS, craft instructor training course scheme. The learning outcomes are smart grids, renewable energy. Key benefits of NSQF based on ITI courses. First is industry alignment. Courses designed based on real world job demands. Job readiness. Graduates meets competency standard required by employers. Third one is flexible learning path. Student can upgrade skill from level 3rd to level 5. Fourth one is global recognition. NSQF certification improves employment opportunity in India and abroad. From all the above theories, we are conclusion here. The NSQF framework ensures structured competency-based skill development in ITIs, helping trainees and students gain technical expertise and employability skills. It bridges the gap between training and industry needs, making ITI graduates for more competitive in the job market. Thank you very much, my dear friends. In this video we have discussed the how ITI courses syllabus are designed using NSQF level. Mostly the levels are used in designing the ITI courses are level 3rd to level 5.